Gods and Goddesses by Abbey, Heather, and Soma.
There was a time when the Romans had 19 gods. We are only talking about the 6 gods we think are most important, which are Mars, Maia, Neptune, Venus, Janus, and Jupiter.
We start with Jupiter, also known as Zeus, was the king of gods. All the other gods were terrified of him, so he became king. There was also a big temple on the Capitol in Rome, dedicated to Jupiter. The Romans thought that Jupiter guarded them with their city and looked after them. This is Maia, the goddess of growth. In the Middle Ages, they went out to pick flowers in her honor. We still have the first Monday as a holiday. Sometimes people dance around a maypole. A maypole is a pole with ribbons tied to the top that people dance around.
He had 2 faces, one looking back and one looking forward. January was named after this. This woman is Venus, the goddess of love. Her Greek name is Aphrodite. She was born floating on a cloud of foam out of the sea.
This is Neptune, god of the sea. Neptune carries a trident and rides on a dolphin, or sometimes a seahorse. Neptune was also the god of earthquakes. Many times the Romans would call him the earth shaker. Last he was the god of horses and horse racing. The Romans loved horse racing, so he was a very honored and cherished god. Mars was the god of war. The Romans were great soldiers and thought Mars was a very important god. They said he was the father of